Introducing the open deck full perimeter plastic pallet, a versatile solution for all your material handling needs. Crafted with high-quality plastic materials, this pallet offers exceptional durability and resistance to impact, moisture, and chemicals. Its open deck design provides excellent ventilation and easy cleaning, ensuring hygiene and reducing the risk of contamination. The full perimeter design enhances stability and load-bearing capacity, making it ideal for heavy-duty applications. Our open deck full perimeter plastic pallet undergoes rigorous drop tests to ensure its resilience in demanding environments. It handles the 1-ton dynamic load effortlessly, whether it's stacked with heavy items or constantly on the move. This pallet maintains its structural integrity, providing reliable support and protection. To learn more about this outstanding pallet and how it can benefit your business, visit our website or contact us today.